Hi students, I am Samiksha and we are discussing solutions to NID 2022 paper. This is question number 18, a MCQ question for 2 marks. It's an easy question. All you have to do is basically follow the instructions and go with option elimination with respect to the figure. So what does it say? In which direction does the dark gear rotate? That means this gear that is given, we'll have to find in which direction it is supposed to move. So if you see, if I just number them, let's say this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is the fifth gear. Okay, the fifth gear is moving clockwise. Okay, so the movement of this fifth gear in clockwise, this is going to make this movement like this, correct? So with that movement, what would happen to 4 is, it is going to move in opposite manner. That means this is going to move in anti-clockwise manner. Now, because of movement of gear number 4 in anti-clockwise manner, it is going to make the gear number 3 go in clockwise manner. Okay, you have to visualize. Now, when this gear number 3 goes in clockwise, how would this 2 number gear, which is the one which we'll have to find, going to move? It is going to move in anti-clockwise manner. And this is what we have to find. So, among the options, obviously, counterclockwise or anti-clockwise, option B, that has to be the answer to this question. I hope you have understood. Thank you.